Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on developer mode options on Android. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, to be able to do this, we need to open up your settings. So either just swipe up to the app drawer and find settings, or just swipe down from the top right and there is settings. From here, they've hidden developer mode or developer options for whatever reason, but we can find it by scrolling down to the very bottom. And you can see at the very bottom, we're going to choose where it says About Phone. And then if we scroll down, Software Information. Again, there's no one toggle that says turn on developer mode. For whatever reason, it's hidden within the build number on your Android phone. So you can see here, build number. What I'm going to do is tap on it 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it says enter your current PIN to unlock developer mode. So I'll enter in the PIN. Again, this is just the PIN that you use to unlock your Android phone. And it says allow development settings. These settings are intended for development use only. And you can just hit OK. Now it says developer mode has been turned on. You'll be able to find it now just by tapping on the back arrow. And then after you've done that, you can see if you scroll down a little bit, there's developer options. You can tap on it and you can go through this entire list. You can see running services if you wanted to turn off or disable apps from running in the background. You can change various configurations, all of this stuff. And if you're good to go and you no longer need developer options, at the very top, you can disable it just by toggling it off here. And now if I go back, you'll be able to see it no longer shows development mode at the very bottom. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.